today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, what the heck just happened to Bitcoin, to the stock markets, and so on? Let's talk about that. I was actually yesterday, just a few hours ago, uploading this video here. Let me show you. Bitcoin, what's happening now? And well, ever since then, this is like 16, 17 hours ago, we went down even further. And people are asking, well, is this now the confirmation of the Bitcoin bear market? Is this not the confirmation of the financial crisis? Well, let's talk about this and everything going on in the financial markets. I have very clear answers to all of your questions today. I will show you exactly what I've been doing with my multi-million US dollar trade. Did I lose millions of dollars? Let's talk about that. Let's go straight into the charts. And guys, I know these hard times in the markets, they are not the most motivating. I would still love and appreciate you for smashing up the like button, of course, because as you know, every crisis brings huge opportunity. Do not be one of these losers getting shook because of that and losing the grip to Bitcoin. This is what we should not be doing. Let's look at Bitcoin and you can see, yes, we broke the very important support towards the downside. And now it will be important to see, is Bitcoin going to close this daily candle and then later a weekly candle below? I do hope this is not going to be the case, because yes, this could trigger, at least chart-wise, furthermore downwards momentum towards the downside. In these times, however, we should not forget there are some exogenous factors which are going to impact the market as well. For example, a potential emergency meeting which is potentially going to happen by the Federal Reserve. What the market should be expecting, at least from it, would be an interest rate cut. And if this is happening, of course, it would be kind of supportive to the market. We just remember a little bit more than 4 years ago, in March 2020, I think it was, where the last big emergency meeting with a big interest rate hike was happening. And if something like this is happening, of course, it could turn the things around for the market. What people have to understand though is the economy is rigged, it's effed. Like, what the Federal Reserve can do is they can just furthermore postpone what is eventually going to happen anyways. They can't save the economy. They can temporarily save the markets. This is what you have to understand. And having Bitcoin, buying Bitcoin long term is going to save you, most likely, in accordance to my opinion, of course, from what's inevitably going to happen anyways. Short term, Bitcoin is correlating with the financial markets, with the Japanese markets, with the US markets, and so on. Mid and long term already, Bitcoin is your scapegoat. And this is what you have to understand. And this is why, yes, I am still in my trade on Bitcoin, on Ethereum. If anything, I am going to scale it higher as we go lower, as, of course, I do want to work a little bit on this improvement worthy liquidation price. I want to say around about at 44,000 US dollars, which is a price level which can be reached. I don't want to talk around it. I think we can even go to 40,000, which would be my personal worst case scenario. A 40-45% dump within a bull market is still normal, and we need to be prepared for that. That doesn't mean that Bitcoin's values are invalidated. That doesn't mean that Bitcoin is not your scapegoat and the greatest asset in the history of mankind. Dear ladies and gentlemen, this is already it for today. If anything, please help me spread this message. We need people to understand it. Do not get shook. Do not freak out. Do not get scared because of a little bit of like the price is dumping and some fear in the market, of course. This all affects the economy. It does not affect Bitcoin. Bitcoin is your scapegoat. Thank you so much for watching. We are going to see you very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye.